हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज जो है मैंने अपनी दवाइयाँ रिकॉर्ड करनी थी क्योंकि मैं सोच रही थी कि सर्दियाँ आ गई हैं। इतनी सारी दवाइयाँ यूज़ होती हैं सर्दियों में क्योंकि सर्दियाँ यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा होती हैं और सर्दियों में मुझे क्योंकि फ़्लू होता है बहुत ज़्यादा और वो फ़्लू जो है किसी तरीके से नहीं जाता। पूरी सर्दियाँ वो मेरे साथ रहता है तो मैं हर साल इतनी सारी चीज़ें इतने सारे तजुर्बे करती हूँ फ़्लू के लिए। तो मैंने कहा क्यों ना उसकी वीडियो बनाई जाए। तो सबसे पहले फ्लू के साथ आपको रात को कफ स्टार्ट हो जाती है तो उसके लिए स्ट्रेप्सिल्स बहुत ही बकवास चीज़ है। वो बिल्कुल मैंने जितने पैसे स्ट्रेप्सिल्स खरीद के ज़ाया किए और उसके बाद इस साल लाइक 2 महीने पहले की बात है मुझे पॉटर्स के कप चेस्टी कफ पेस्टिल्स नज़र आए। ये मुझे लोकल जो है होम बार्गेन्स पे नज़र आए थे। तो ये पेस्टिल्स मैं लेके आई। ये बहुत ज़्यादा कम मीठे हैं स्ट्रेप्सिल्स की निस्बत और इनके अंदर असर बहुत ज़्यादा है। So compared to strepsils, I can say कि these Potter's pastils are far way better than the strepsils. Like strepsils are too sweet when you have them, and the Potters they are very less sweet and they have stronger oils in them. So they heal your throat more better than compared to strepsils. So the active ingredients here is menthol, pine oil and eucalyptus oil, and I think this one is more good compared to the strepsils one. I got 2 versions of these. Potters. Today I gathered everything. Yes, so this one is chesty cough and this one is mucus cough. So first time when I start using mucus cough pastilles, they were like a breeze of like fresh air for me a while, because throughout winter I was like coughing whole night and it was like so hard for me to sleep properly. But with these mucus cough pastilles, my throat was clear and I slept properly, like after many many restless nights. So Potters, these pastilles are far way better than strepsils, and these ones are 2. Next, my favorite is when I came to UK. I was having the flu one day. We were going to somewhere for a long drive and I was coughing and I went to pharmacy when we stopped by somewhere on motorway. So I saw these fisherman's friend. They are having in many different flavors and many different varieties, but when I bought the fisherman original one. So they are very strong, very good, and not much pricey. They are like, I think for 75p for one piece from Home Bargain. I think 75p one piece or 75 piece for both of them. I don't remember now. So these ones are also my favorite ones. Fisherman friend, and these ones Potters. I love these. The next one these ones are Albus. So Albus are also very strong. When I brought them, I thought I didn't read them properly in the market. These are also from Home Bargains, and the Potters and Albus. I never found these pastilles in Boots or anywhere else. In Tesco, I saw them first time in Home Bargains, and I was like very very amazed. Like why I never saw them in Boots. I have extreme bad throat sometimes, and when I went to Boots, I just begged them like, can you have something stronger, and they said, no, we don't have anything stronger. But why don't you sell these 2 things, the Potter ones and Alban ones? Potters and Albus, they are the best. ये जो दोनों हैं Potters और Albus, अगर आपको strepsils नहीं पसंद, because strepsils are too sweet and you don't like strepsils, so you can buy both of them. और Albus और भी लेस स्वीटेंड है, कम शुगर है इसके अंदर, और दे आर मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर देन द पॉटर्स. So Olbus and Potters, they both are like my love. I am having them during the day, and I felt very calm. Like my throat is very calmer now. Before I can't. It's like I can't even. I can't even completed a full sentence without coughing. But now I am in peace. My throat is in peace. Yes. So this is it. Yes. Next thing. I bought these for kids because when they have cough, they don't like anything stronger, and this is sugar free. This is good too. And then Covonia. So yes, this is also very good. And then I start using for my allergy. I'm taking daily this allergy tablet. So it is helping me for sneezing and flu. Yes. And the other cough syrup, which is my favorite, is Folocodine. And I love this because it helps soothing my cough. And the taste is very good. And another thing I like is bronchitis from, which is that? Covinia again. Bronchitis syrup. That also I'm using that. And what else? Yes, Olbus oil. And what else I use? This one I found last year in clearance somewhere, and this is really very effective for nose. Very, very effective. And what else is? See, I got fisherman's solution too. Because I need these medicines. I'm having too many medicines for flu, and I am like, somehow I learned now how can I tackle my flu. So for flu, I think these ones are the best you got in the market. It's cold here and you can't help it out. And this one is for congestion. This one is the best thing you can do with kids, like just spray in their noses. So yes. And this one is also for my daughter, and this is also very good. I am using Covonia bronchitis syrup for bronchitis, and that is really good for like keeping your throat in a peaceful way. Like you can sleep well, your throat is good, you can eat. But the thing is, I'm allergic with flu and cold drinks, so I'm not having any cold drinks or any. I'm allergic with sour things and cold drinks, so I'm not having any cold drinks and any sour things while I'm having flu during winter. I don't do any sour or cold drink stuff. Yes, don't do this. So this is all my winter, like the people go for the holidays and they are gathering their things, and I'm gathering my things for the winter. This is my treasure for the winter, to surpass the winter. Yes, this is just what this is. Yes,
this is mine.
Yeah. So these are all again. So Potters, best for cough. Like ये जो है way better than Strepsils. These ones are. I don't know why they are not widely available. I bought it from Home Bargains, and it really helped me to have a smooth throat. I'm just recording this for the purpose of storing it for myself, and like for kids, like these things they can use for their cough. This is also very best. Olbus pastils. One thing is Covonia, which I bought. So my Covonia. So these all are not available on the prescription. I paid for my prescriptions, so I'm like all the time buying my medicines, and I'm searching for good ones. So the money I'm spending on medicine, at least I got some peace after using those medicines. So you need to like search in different stores. Home Bargain is having very good range of medicines. It's not a publicity promotion stuff from them. It's just we got a new Home Bargain store in our neighborhood, and that is really very good. So Home Bargain's price is way more good compared to other stores. I hope it will help you people like to dealing with your cold and cough. So I am dealing with my cold and cough with these many things, because we don't have any injections here, we don't have any strong medications available on the market. We can just use what is available on the shelf. So we can't buy antibiotics, we can't buy anything stronger from the pharmacy. So these things and some herbal remedies like herbal teas which I'm using for my flu and cold. So yes, the flu is with me like daily basis. I need to take paracetamol or ibuprofen for flu, but still these things are helping me out. I hope you like the video. So bye bye.